Sairam children, today in maths we are going to start our new chapter number 3, chapter name Give and Take. So children, let's start with our chapter. Okay children, first of all tell me what is give. In general term, what we can define give? Yes, you are correct. Give means to give thing to someone, or we can give in mathematical terms. We are talking about numbers we are given to other, like carry one, we are adding, we are subtracting, taking. For taking we are using number, we are taking like 2-digit number, we are taking from other number to subtract other number, that is taking. So in this chapter we are going to do addition and subtraction. Okay children, so let's start with our chapter Give and Take. Now let's read. I am Kittu. This is my home. Is not it huge? It has 100 rooms. The boy Kittu is telling that this is my home and is not a huge. This is his home and he was telling it was not a huge. It has 100 rooms. How many rooms? 100 rooms. Help me in painting some of the rooms. So he was painting to his rooms, but out of 100 he want to paint some of the rooms. So let's start. I start from room 2. He started from room 2. I add 10 to 2 to reach room 12. So what he add? He add 10, okay, to reach 12. 12 room number he add 10. 2 plus 10, that becomes 12, and paint it. To add 10 to 2, we can go all the way. Now we have to go all the way same to the right to 10, then up to 11, and one step right to 12. One step right to 12. So one step he was taking right to 10 and one step he was taking right to 12. There is one way to go from 2 to 10. Is there a shortcut? Of course, follow me. We can jump up one room. A jump from 2 to 12 is like taking. Now he was taking a shortcut, so he was telling jump up one row. A jump from 2 to 12 is like taking how many steps? Yes, only one step. So for shortcut he was talking about, if he goes like this, so only one step he jumps, so he get into which room? Room number 12. Only one step. Okay children, when he was jumping like this. Understood? Now come to next. Now try a jump from 14. Now we have to try a jump from 14. For example, they were telling 14 plus 10 is equals to 24. Okay. So he need to color which room now? Yes, you are correct. Now he will color which room? Room number 24. He need to color which room? Room number 24. Now next, how will I go from 22 to 41? Jump from 22 to 42, then one step left. Now he will take one step left. Okay, 42 to 41, one step left, and then one step left. We can write it all like 22 plus 20. Now he was talking about 22 plus 20 is equals to 42. He break this number, and then 42 minus 41, what will come? That is 1, or we can do 42 minus 1 when he goes to 41 room number. That is, okay, 41 room number. How many steps did I go in all? Now you can see in all he was going how many steps? Yes, you are correct. He was going in all 21 steps. You can see here, like when he was jumping from 22, take one step to left. So it is 21. Okay. So children, 21 to 41 when he was going, so he was taking same steps, like he will take how many steps? Yes, 21 steps. How? If he was jumping from 20 this room, then also we can do 21 step plus 20, that will become 41, and same here, 21 plus 20 is equals to 41. Okay children, now next, so how many steps he takes? 21 steps in all. Try these on Kittu's home. Hey, I am something more interesting for you. Ma told me there are sweets to eat in some rooms. So, here her mother told there are some sweets to eat in some rooms. Help me find that room. The answers from the next page will help you find that room. So children, in this we need to find room from this page. Okay children, so your first one is 10 less than 34. What will come? 10 less than 34, that is, yes, 34 minus 10, because he was talking about less than, so it will come 24. So your answer is 24. First he will go to which room? He will go to 24 room number. Okay. Now next, 53 minus 20. Yes. Now your answer is 3 and 3. 33 is your answer. So now he will go to which room? He will go to room number 33. Room number 33. Now next, 11 more than 31 is, 11 more than 31 is, means, more than means he was adding. So what you will do? 31 plus 11, that is 42. So your answer is 42. So the next room is here is 42. Okay children. Now come to next. Here we can see 11 less than, now 11 less than 66 is, so less than means 66 minus 11, that is 55. So your answer is 55. So your next room is 55. Okay children. 62 plus 13. So they were telling directly. So here your answer is 5 and 7. So your answer is 75. So your next room is 75. 10 and 40 more is means 10 and 40 more is what will come? If you add in 40 more 10, then what will come? Yes, 50. Very good. So your answer is 50. And your next room is 50. Okay, children. Now come to next. The sum of 9 and 44 is, now sum of 9 and 44 is means you will add 44 plus 9, that will, yes, very good, 53. So your next room is 53. So your next room is 53. Now come to next. The sum of 9 and 44 is 53. Now next, reducing 98 by 34. What will come? Reducing means, children, means you will subtract. Reducing means you will subtract. So 98 minus 34 will come 64. So your next room is 64. Okay, children. 4 and 37 more is means you will add 4 in 37. So your answer is 37 plus 4. Your answer is 41. Your answer is 41. So your next room is 41. Okay, children. Take 35 away from 83 means you will subtract. Yes. So when you subtract, what is your answer? That is 48. Your answer is 48. When you subtract 83 from 35, when you will subtract 83 to 35, that your answer is, yes, that your answer is 48. So your next room is 48. Okay, children, I hope you understand that you have to reduce, you have to add, according that we will get our rooms in which sweets are there. Understood? Now come to next. Now in this also, children, you have to take shortcut. Okay, so by adding or by subtracting. So children, one example I will do for you, rest you will do on your own. Okay, children. So now come here. 37 plus 9, you all know. Yes, very good. Your answer is very good, 46. Now 65 minus 30 you will do. Now 46 plus 21, what will come? You will add and you will write here. Okay, children. Now next, 87 minus 30, what will come? Yes, that is 57. Very good. Now next, 66 minus, what we will minus? That 11 will come. It means if we minus 55, your answer is 11. Now 36 is your answer. So what we will add in 9? Your answer is 36. That is 27 if we add. So your answer is 36. Okay, children. Now 45 plus what we did in 45. So your answer is 99. you can do very simply. What you can do? 99 minus 45. So your answer come. Yes. Very good. Your answer will 54. Like this you can subtract, and like this you can add. Okay children. Now 35 is your answer. So what you will minus to 21? So your answer is 35. How you will calculate? In this you will do, what you will do? It is minus. When you bring this here, so your answer is 36 plus 21. So, sorry, it's 35. 35 plus 21. Yes, your answer is 56. So, when you will 56 minus 21, your answer is 35. Okay children, same you will do here. Understood? Now, come to next. You have to again subtract here. What you will subtract? 57 out of, your answer is 20. You will subtract 37. So your answer is 20. Okay children. Now come to next. Now let's read a story. Anisha bought apple for 37 rupees. Now she is Anisha and she bought apples for 37 rupees. Raja bought bananas for 21 rupees. The woman selling fruit said 37 is 30 and 7. 21 is 20 and 1. So children, this we did previous also. That is your expanded form. So same they were doing a number into expanded form. Means if they add 30 plus 7, that will become 37. And if they will get 20 plus 1, that will become 21. Okay children. So 37 plus 21 make 58. Okay. The first two I can do. How did she add 37 and 27 so fast? So now let's have a look. 20. Let's us also try how they did. Like 26, okay, and 43. So children, they were telling if they were adding both in the expanded form, how they will get the answer. If you want to do direct, that is, you can do 26 plus 43. Okay, this is your 69, but we have to do in expanded form. First we expand 26. Okay, 20 plus 6, that is, the number should be common, like 20 plus 6 and 40 plus 3. So children, we take 10 digits number same, means we will take one side, and once we will take one side. So 20 plus 40, 60, 60 plus 6, 66, 66 plus 3, that is 69. Okay children. Now like this they were adding. Understood? Now come to next children. This is same. They did expanded form, like 33 plus 56. So look here. They did 30 plus 3, 50 plus 6. Okay. So they did what they did. They add these both 10 digits. 50 plus 30, that is 80. And 6 plus 3, that is 9. So your answer is 89. Okay, children. Now, next. This is 37 plus 22. So, this I will do for you. Rest you will do. This is 2 digits. So, this you do on your own. We will do this. Now, come here. 70 plus 3, 20 plus 4. So children, if we add these two, so what will come? 90 plus 3 plus 4. So 90 plus 7. So your answer is 97. Okay children. Now again, this is same. How they will expand? Okay. Now this you will do. This is 2 digit. Now come to next. Now same this we did when we are counting the room in which sweets were there. So children, in same way we will do. Add the number and reduce the number directly. So children, let's have a look. Now come here. Your first 33 plus 42. Yes, very correct. That is 75. 19 plus 61. You will do on your own. Now next 48 plus 42. This you will do add directly. Now one I will do for you like 53 plus 64. So your answer is 170. You will total directly and you will write in this box like 170. Okay children. Same way here you will do like this and this. Like 72 plus 56 is your 128. Okay, you have to simply add and you have to write number in the box. Understood? Now come to next. Now children, let's read the story. Once a baby lion lost his way in the jungle. He started crying and called out for his mother. When a baby lion lost a way in the jungle, so what he did? He started crying. And called out for his mother. An old deer look. Now have a look children. Here is one old deer and she looked took him to his place, but the other deer got really scared. But other deer was very scared because you know everyone, lion is the king of jungle. Okay, so other deer is very scared. Now, so did their other friends, rabbits, squirrel and birds. A lion among us? Oh no, he will eat up our babies. So rest of them were also thinking that rabbit, squirrel, they were thinking that they will eat us. Means lion eat us. Oh no, he will eat our babies. The old deer said, don't worry, I will warn him about this. Now he was telling that, don't worry, I will warn to lion about this. In the morning, the baby lion thanked everyone. Now baby lion thanked to everyone and started to leave, but a rabbit said, wait, he cannot go like this. Let's us count to see if he has done any mischief. Now rabbit was thinking, he was leaving. Why? He was thinking that is he did any mistake. So rabbit was telling, first we count. We should all be 240 in all. Let's us count. So when they count, what the number is? Tillu counted rabbits and deer. There were 27 rabbits and 48 deer. Now next, the old deer counted birds and squirrel. Birds is 124 and squirrel is 38. Okay children, so when they counted, what they find? Yes. Now let's add them. Now they were adding and they were getting the answer. So children, for the number of tens in the moon story in second chapter, we also did, they were taking a tens and for a separate they were taking like 1. So in this also, when they are taking 2-digit number, 10-digit number, they were taking for 10. Like if it is 40 in 1, so they were taking 10 of that denotes 10 denotes 2 means 10 numbers. Like 1 to 10, they denotes 110 they will take. If it is 20, so they will take 210. Okay, so same they did here. Like 48, so what they did, 110 for 10, so 1 2 3 4 40 and 8 they are taking like 1 they denotes for lose. Okay, like same they were doing here, 27 20, so they were taking 2 tens here and 7 like this. Okay children, now they were same counting for that and putting all together, we get 15. 10 makes 1 and we are left with 5. So what they did, when they left with 5, so now putting together all tens, we get 7 tens and the total number, that is, yes, the total number is 75 of what? Deer and rabbit. Okay children. So total number is 75 of deer and rabbit. Now next they were adding for what? Yes, they were adding birds and squirrel. So let's have a count. When they were counting together in same way, that is 124 plus 38, that is 162, putting tens and lastly the hundreds, we get this. So children, in this, so together birds and squirrel and deer and rabbits, the old deer said, we were 240 in number. We were 240 in number. Now how many are we all? So children, they were all, yes, they were all, yes. So children, if we did total number of this, so what we are getting here? We are getting here 162 plus 75. So what is your answer coming? That is 237. Okay. So baby lion eaten how many? Yes, has eaten 3 of them. How many? 3 of them. Okay children, according to that you will fill this and then you will add this. Understood? Like how you will do? You will write here 162 and for 100 162 and for 100 they be deer and rabbit, that is 75 So your answer is 237. Okay, children. Now, so children, rest of the chapter we will continue afterwards. Till then, you practice for this and do this properly. Okay, and have practice for the subtracting and adding the numbers. Okay, children. So thank you and bye.